Welcome to the PBS Brakes YouTube channel. Today we're in Spain. We are going to see our Spanish distributor RST Motorsport, and then we've got a special delivery for Area Motorsport for Sam and Steve Laidlaw. We've got some Pro Comp S1 and S2 brake pads that we're hand delivering to Valencia. So we're going to go to RST first and then over to Valencia tomorrow. So we'll go and get a hire car, grab our bags and get going. Right, we've just arrived in Albacete at RST Motorsport. Let's go inside and see the guys. Right, that's all the jobs done in Albacete. We went down to the city last night. Amazing place if you ever want to look for somewhere completely different. Never even knew there was anything really in this area, but it is actually a proper city. There are quite a lot of festivals here every year, and they've got an amazing culture of making some special kind of nice things. There's a bull ring here, but food was amazing. Lovely place, clean, tidy, amazing. So if you ever want anything a little bit different, Albacete, never even heard of it myself until we started dealing with Eloi at RST Motorsport. Morning, it's our second day in Valencia. Last night we stayed in a little town called Chiva that was affected by the floods last year in Valencia.
Tragedy is already Spain's worst flood-related disaster in modern history.
Scenes of destruction as far as the eye can see.
New video tonight shows the sheer force of Spain's worst flooding in decades.
Some of the pictures in the hotel of the flood damage in this hotel as well. It looks pristine and brand new now. The level of the water, the damage was unbelievable. You see it on the news, but it's just, you could comprehend what you can see here. And you've got all the pictures here of the community coming together, cleaning up, and you can't really even tell that anything's happened. There's little bits of damage here, there, and we'll look at that on the track, but The news coverage did not do it justice for how much water was coming through this area last year. It's really amazing. But the people obviously all pulled together and got it cleaned up. Looked like it was a bit of a party atmosphere. But yeah, I can't believe this hotel is open from the damage that in these pictures. So we're off to the circuit again now for the second day. Testing went really well yesterday. Speak to Steve and Sam, the Ferraris who were racing this weekend, and see who else we find along the way. So we'll see you at the track. Well, this morning we have nipped to a kart track, which was 5 minutes from our hotel. Last night we went for dinner at a lovely steakhouse, and just by sheer chance we bumped into Stuart Lyons, the promoter of TCR UK. His son's racing at a European winter event here, so we've come down, had a look and see what's entailed in this event. Some amazing setups here, kids from 8 to I think about 16th at the racing. It's a European winter series, so let's go in and have a look. So my name's Sam Laidlaw. We're here for testing the Winter Series at Valencia. Currently dodging the rain.
Yeah, pretty good. It's starting to woo me a little bit that my son seems to be a little bit faster than me. Every time I find some time, he finds another couple of tenths. But yeah, mega.
So I'm in a Cupra VZ. It's a very new car to me. I've only had 2 rounds in it. We've done a bit of testing at Barcelona not too long ago, and we did 1 test day at Snetton, but still very new car to me at the minute.
I think it's a culmination of a lot of things, actually. This car was pretty new to us at Barcelona, so as well as being educated on improving my driving and learning the track, we were also learning about the car characteristics. The car feels very dialed now. It's really small nuances that we're trying to play with. But also, I think it's honestly testament to the team. You come here, everyone knows what they're doing. You've got really attentive people around you who are supremely educated and able to guide me. Every time I get out of the car, we're making a positive step forward. And even whilst we're in the car, getting in radio communication. Like, prior to last year, I've never really driven like this before.
So I'm currently using the S2s. Personally, I love them. I feel the bike's bang on, and I can bleed off very well without overslowing the car or underslowing the car. Just suits me as a driving style very well.